Monica again from AceVacuums. What is a central vacuum system? A central vacuum system is a built-in cleaning solution where a powerful motorized unit is installed in a remote location, like a garage or basement, and connected to hidden pipes throughout the house. Instead of carrying a heavy vacuum around, you simply plug a lightweight hose into wall inlets to clean. Question: how does the central vacuum installation process begin? At AceVacuums, the installation begins with a free in-home consultation. An AceVacuums central vacuum installation technician visits your home to inspect the layout and designs a customized system plan based on your home's size, construction type, and cleaning needs. Question: where is the central vacuum motor and dustbin installed? The central vacuum unit is typically installed in non-living areas such as garage, basement, utility room. Our AceVacuum central vacuum installation technician ensures that the location offers easy access for maintenance and optimal airflow for ventilation. Question: how are the pipes installed in my home? AceVacuum's central vacuum installation technicians install a system of 2-inch PVC pipes hidden behind walls, in attics, basements, or crawl spaces. The pipes connect the central power unit to wall inlets throughout your home, allowing dust and debris to be transported away from living spaces silently and efficiently. Question: how many wall inlets are needed? Most homes require one wall inlet per 900 square feet. During your consultation, an AceVacuums central vacuum installation technician calculates the number and best locations of inlets to ensure you can clean every room with minimal hose movement. Question: what about the electrical wiring? Low voltage wiring is installed alongside the piping system. This wiring allows you to turn the central vacuum system on and off right from the hose handle. AceVacuums central vacuum installation experts carefully run the wires so they stay completely hidden behind walls. Question: how long does central vacuum installation take? For an existing home, AceVacuums central vacuum installation technicians can usually complete the installation in 1-2 days. New construction homes may vary depending on the building stage. Our team works efficiently while minimizing disruption to your walls and structure. Question: will central vacuum installation damage my home? No! AceVacuums central vacuum installation technicians use precise drilling and retrofitting methods. Only small openings are made for the wall inlets, and all work is done cleanly and professionally to avoid visible damage. Question: how do I use the central vacuum system once installed? Simply plug the lightweight hose into any installed wall inlet. The system powers on automatically, giving you powerful, quiet cleaning throughout your home. An AceVacuums central vacuum installation technician will show you exactly how to operate the system during the final walkthrough. Question: what brands of central vacuum systems does AceVacuums install? AceVacuums central vacuum installation technicians are certified to install top brands like MD Central Vacuum, Beam, Canavac, Cyclovac, Vacuflo, Newtone, Electrolux central vacuums. We install only the most trusted systems for long-term performance. Question: can a central vacuum system be installed in an existing home? Yes. Our experienced AceVacuums central vacuum installation team specializes in retrofitting central vacuum systems into existing homes with minimal disruption to walls and structures. Question: what are the main benefits of a central vacuum system? Stronger suction compared to portable vacuums. Extremely quiet operation. Longer motor and system lifespan. Cleaner indoor air removes allergens outside the living space. Increased property value. An AceVacuums central vacuum installation adds convenience and value to your daily life. Question: how much does central vacuum installation cost? Costs vary based on the size of your home, number of inlets, and system chosen. An AceVacuums central vacuum installation technician provides a customized quote after your free in-home consultation. No hidden fees. Question: does AceVacuums offer service after installation? Absolutely. AceVacuums central vacuum installation technicians offer full after-installation services, repairs, tune-ups, accessories, filter replacements, hose and tool upgrades, We're your long-term partners for everything central vacuum related. Question: how can I schedule a central vacuum installation with AceVacuums? Call 703-997-9292 or visit acevacuums.com today to book your free consultation with an AceVacuums central vacuum installation technician